kitty, kitty, kitty. Where'd you come from? You made me think it was a bear or something.
Shut up. His name is Wander. Wander over yonder.
Kitty, kitty, kitty.
Your name is now Wander. He's very clumsy, though.
He's cute.
Yeah, he's very thin, and he's mellowable.
Yeah, but
Oh my god.
we don't even know whose cat this is.
So? Oh, thank goodness.
Kitty, kitty!
Too bad it wasn't the one that had prize money on it.
Wait, you know what? What if it was? Because I remember
There was one near a dead river, but it was
yeah,
not
I
as
thought it
fluffy
was
as-
the same cat.
Did you take a
The
photo?
same color.
Did you take a photo at least?
No, but I know that he said it was this color.
Unbelievable. You don't even take a photo of the fucking wanted poster. How about you take some wanted posters, huh?
Kitty!
Oh, he's going away now.
Kitty, kitty!
But
Where
my
you
question
going?
is, how are we supposed to get him? Well, there's no purpose of taking him. What if he does have a home here?
We're not taking him.
I know. I meant like try to dig.
Kitty! Where's he going?
I'll watch the full video when I get home. She drinks a lot of soda. Yada yada.
What is the cat doing now?
Oh, they like plants.
Hey! Is he?
He's very
Hey!
derpy. Like he falls over easily. Watch. Watch this. Watch this.
He's a clumsy cat.
It reminds me like he's gonna die. He's falling over.
He licked you!
No, he didn't.
Yes, he
He's going
did.
after you. Oh shit.
He just licked you. I saw his tongue stick out.
Derpy. But your still name is Wander. Oh, you already have a name.
Wander.
Oh, he's heading home now.
Unless he's coming back. Don't go!
It's time for him to go home as well.
He might come back though.
Bye, Wander. Bye. Hope you find your family.